Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix hair washing machine FC1 error code. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, there are going to be multiple reasons why you are receiving this error. One of them is going to be some drum obstructions. If something is blocking the drum movement, such as clothing or other items, it can trigger the FC1 error. Now, another issue will be a faulty PCB or printed circuit board. Issues with the machine's electronic control unit can also lead to this error. Now, another reason is a faulty motor can prevent the drum from rotating properly, causing the FC1 error to appear. Now, what are going to be the solutions that we could try here? Well, in this case, the first thing you need to do here is you need to check for obstructions. First, power down the washer and open the door to access the drum. Carefully inspect the drum for any foreign objects obstructing its movement. Remove any blockages you find and then plug the machine back in to test if the issue persists. Next is you need to inspect the PCB, or again the power or printed circuit board. Now turn off the washer and locate the printed control board near the drive motor. Examine the control board for signs of damage or burned components. If you spot any damage, consider replacing or repairing the PCB, and this may require professional assistance. And from here on, you just need to check your motor. Now turn off the washer, access the motor by removing its back panel. Inspect the motor's wires to ensure that they are securely attached and undamaged. If you find loose or damaged wires, retouch or repair them as needed. Now test the motor's resistance using a multimeter to ensure it's functioning properly. If the motor is in good condition, reassemble the washing machine again. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.